Best Way Auto Upholstery presents 1972 Mercedes 280 SHE 3.5 V8 with exterior and interior changes that the owner wanted. A luxurious classic presented in good condition, but it's looking for a new look, a cleaner one. These saloons were well equipped and extremely powerful. The 280 SE 3.5 would reach a top speed of 125 miles per hour and offered effortless high-speed cruising mated with supple ride comfort. First we took out seats, carpet, headliner, dash, rear shell, and trunk. Then we put on the new dash, with wood and leather restored to a perfect look. We added the reupholstered seats and door panels. The car is repainted to a custom olive green color and white top. One of the rarer mass-produced Mercedes-Benz saloons, a little over 11,000 being built between March 1971 and September 1972. A luxurious classic, looking amazing after its restoration.